Customers have objections. They will always have reasons why they shouldn't buy from you. Your job as an entrepreneur or an intrapreneur or a salesperson is to reduce customers' objections to the barest minimum. One of the ways to do that is through the use of proof. You need to prove yourself. You need to show them that I am the right person for you to do business with. I am the right person for the job. I am the right person that can satisfy your cravings, that can solve your problems, that can give you the best service. That is why you need to be very good showing proof. Don't just say, I can do this. You have to show them that I've done it and I can help you too. You cannot overutilize proofs. You can only underutilize proofs. You cannot overprove yourself. You can only underprove yourself. If you are struggling to make sales right now or you want to make more sales, one of what you need to do is to make sure that you are showing proofs that I can help you. I am the right person for you to buy from. What are the ways to show proofs in your business? There are various ways to show proofs in your business. One, testimonials. Testimonials are reasons or praises customers give you. Testimonials are what customers says about you. What are your customers saying about you that are positive? You can utilize the testimonial for your good. Testimonials are like endorsements. When customers give you testimonials, they are telling you that you did a good job and I want others to benefit from the good job you are doing. That is why it is important for you to share testimonials. Share it on your social media pages, share it on your website, share it in your physical location. You have to share testimonials. There are ways to prove, to build trust with your prospects. You should share a lot of testimonials. It can never be too much. It can only be too little. Always share testimonials. People get sold easily when they know that someone else has used your product or service and benefited immensely from it. So don't undersell yourself. Don't stop sharing the testimonials of the life transformed before and after testimonials. What was people's experience before they met you? What was their experience after they met you? How did your product make their life better? What was their horrible experience before they met you? How did your product or service elevated their comfort instead of pain? Always share testimonials. Another way to show proof is number 2, number of clients you've served. Number of clients served. When people or when prospect knows that you served a lot of customers, they are more open or they will be more open to do business with you. Don't hold back. Always share. I've served this number of customers. We've served 10,000 customers globally. We've served 2,000 customers in the last 2 years. When people know that you've served a lot of people, when they know that a lot of people have experienced your product or service, they will be more eager to do business with you. Number 3 ways to show proof is through awards and recognition. You have to know that people want to associate themselves with winners. They want to associate themselves with the best. You showing off the awards you've received or the recognitions, it will help people trust you more. You are in a business. You've won an award, you should share those awards. Let people know that you've won this award, best entrepreneur, any award that relates to your business. Make sure you constantly share about the award. Number 4, media appearances. Not just anybody gets invited to speak on TV, on radio. It shows that you've done something well. Always share your media appearance. Always, or try to appear on media too. That gives proof, that serves as proof to prospect that I should do business with this person. This person is worthy if this person can be invited to speak on media platforms. Do you get that? That's another way to show proof. Another way to show proof is number of years. Number of years in business. Yes, in business. The fact that you've done business for a number of years means that you are playing the long game, right? Number of years in business communicates a lot of things to your prospect. It communicates that you've been stable. It communicates experience and expertise, that you are not just learning on the job. You've done it, you've served different people. It communicates resilience, that you've passed through various challenges over the years and yet you are still thriving in your business. It communicates trustworthiness, it communicates proven track record. That is why you need to share the number of years you've been in business. It helps you earn trust from your prospect or customer. Now that you know the importance of proofs, how do you effectively use proof? Number one is to request for testimonials. Some customers willingly give testimonials, while some others you have to prompt them to ask their experience or what was their experience with your product. With that, you are collecting testimonials. Number two is to have feedback forms. Always give feedback forms. If people buy your product, let them drop review so that you know, oh, this is what you've done so well. You can even use that as an opportunity to improve other aspects of your service. Number three, ways to use proof effectively is to fill your social media or anywhere, your physical location, your website, fill it with proofs of people talking about how well you've done for them. Let your social media contain proofs. Number four is you can create an ebook or a manual that just shows what people think about your product, that shows what people think about their experience with your product or service. Number five is that video testimonials work. Video testimonials work a lot because people can put a face to the testimonial. People can put a face to the testimony. These 5 ways are ways that you can show proof. Remember, you cannot overutilize proofs. You can only underutilize proof. If this adds value to you, make sure you check out my other videos. There are a lot of valuable videos that will help you in your business, personal finance, and personal leadership. Thank you for joining me once again, and make sure you subscribe, comment your thoughts below. Thank you for joining me, and see you in the next video. Thank you.